I have here the KSZ9897 eval board for that Ethernet Gigabit switch. I'm going to try and access the I2C registers in the switch to set the switch up correctly. The switch chip is right there, and you can see to the left of it there's a 0.1 inch header that the I2C interface is broken out. I've got that connected to my I2Cdriver board, which is being driven from a USB interface. You can see right now there's no traffic on the I2C bus. At the bottom you see the clock and data. The data's in blue and the clock's in yellow, just like matching the lines here on the connection. You can see it's scanning and it sees there is an I2C device at 5F. That's the Ethernet switch. The Ethernet switch is hard-coded to 5F, so you could only ever have one Ethernet switch on the I2C bus. This board is being driven by my laptop here. You can see I'm accessing the I2Cdriver board on COM5 as a virtual port, and you can see here that its address 5F is selected, so that's what I'll be writing and reading from. So to verify that I'm actually talking to the Ethernet switch I2C bus, I know that in its register set, if I were to read from register 0001, that's the global chip ID, and the most significant bit value of that would be 98. So I'm going to try and do a read from that address and see if I read the right value. So the first thing I have to do is I have to write to the register address, and that's 0001. So I'm going to do a write, and you should see on my I2Cdriver when I do the write. Okay, you see a 5F, that's the address of the bus. Then you see a 0001. I actually did it twice here. But then you see the stop condition. Each one of those green dots is an ACK, and the right pointing little yellow triangle, that means I'm doing a write. If it's a left pointing yellow triangle, it means I'm doing a read. So I've written the address, and now I'm going to do a read from that address. Okay, there's the read. You see on the right hand side, you see the address 5F of the bus. You see a left pointing yellow arrow, that means read, and then it reads a 98, and then the P is the stop condition. So you see it properly read the value from the bus, so I am talking to the switch chip.